The Behringer CT200 is a versatile cable tester that offers three distinct modes, including cable and installed cable testing, as well as a test tone mode. It is compatible with a wide range of standard connectors such as XLR, Speak-On, TRS quarter-inch, TRS eighth-inch, RC RJ45 MIDI, and USB, making it suitable for various testing needs. The device is designed for ease of use, featuring an intuitive LED display that simplifies operation for users of all experience levels. It includes functionality for continuity checking and intermittent contact detection, which are essential for ensuring reliable cable connections. The CT200 also provides phantom power and ground shield checks, adding an extra layer of assurance for those working with audio equipment. Manufactured by Music Tribe US under the Behringer brand, this cable tester is compact yet robust, measuring 44 millimeters in height, 149 millimeters in length, 98 millimeters in width, and weighing 499 grams.